from a whisper.
Today we're going to be making homemade hash browns. We'll start with a medium-sized russet potato. With a potato peeler, peel your potato or leave the skin on. Shredded potatoes. Immerse in cold water. Hash browns immersed in cold water gets rid of all the starch. Keeps them from turning brown. Pat dry your hash browns in a towel. Add about a tablespoon of oil to your non-stick pan.
Breakfast fresh on the stove. She walked out with a floral blouse. Back then, everyone was new.
Try not to turn them over too soon. Wait till they're kind of brown on one side. And don't try to turn it all at once. We're on medium heat. That looks pretty good. Perfect hash browns. I'm going to flip one more time. They're done. I'm going to salt and pepper to taste. Sea salt, fresh ground pepper. They are done. The perfect homemade hash browns, served with an over medium egg and toast and orange juice.
We'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. We'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again.